everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry today's video is a little late. I wasn't feeling all that well and I took a nap that lasted way too long. To start out today's video, I'm painting my face with a mustard color and I already blocked out my brows prior to filming. So here I'm just taking that kabuki brush that I've been using for full coverage body paint, and I'm dipping into the mustardy color in the Mayron Paradise Paints Tropical palette. Alright, and then I dipped into the brown in the Basics Mayron Paradise Paints palette, and I tried to blend that in on my cheeks and on my forehead. I'm basically using it as a contouring color, so I mixed a little bit of orange with brown. Really going for those warm fall tones. Now, of course, you could have done this with eyeshadow, but I decided that I was going to do it with paints. And then I'm going in with a smaller brush and contouring my nose. And this got a little tricky because the blending was a mess, but I tried my best, and I think the final look turned out okay, despite the fact that the nose contour went a little funky. And then I'm dipping into a mixture of yellow and white, and I'm adding highlights to the face that I'm planning on blending out, but we'll see how that goes as I continue to blend it out with the big brush and add more of the original yellow color, and then go back in and highlight again. And I just keep going back and forth until I'm happy with how the highlights are looking. Right there, I was just marking where I'm going to start my eyebrows. Not gonna lie, I'm not great at drawing eyebrows. I've never shaved my natural eyebrows off, so anytime that I do them, I'm just filling in my natural hair and my natural hair shape. So to try and draw brows on was not an easy task, but I gave it a shot. And there I'm just using a little brush and that brown body paint. Trying to make these eyebrows even was not an easy task. Let me tell you, I kept going in and in and in, and they just get thicker and longer and thicker and longer, and it was a task. But I was okay with, I wasn't super happy with how they turned out, but I was satisfied. And then I'm dipping into the James Charles palette with a fluffy brush, and I'm dipping into the brown shades in the middle of the palette, and I'm just contouring. And adding eyeshadow. Sharpening the cheek contour a little bit. For this look, I did have a pair of yellow-orange contacts in. I think that adds to the effect of fall creature. I don't really know if I was going for like a princess. I could have put elf ears on and called it like a fall elf. I just wanted to be like the spirit of the fall. If you've ever seen, oh shoot, was it The Guardians? That movie about the protectors of like the holidays, so like Santa and like the Sandman and stuff like that. There's a character in that movie that's like Mother Nature, and she's like fall colors and really pretty. So I was kind of inspired by that, but I haven't seen that movie in years, so I'm not gonna say that that's what I was going for here. Just pulling inspiration. And here I'm just adding some shimmer to my eyelids. I decided to go in with glitter after this so you don't really see it. But, I tried. Here's my Pinky Rose Cosmetics glitter palette. And I was just trying to find like that perfect golden color, if that makes sense. And then here I was looking for a lipstick. I thought I had a gold liquid lipstick. I think I might have gotten rid of it. I might have decluttered it thinking I was never gonna need it, right? Because, we all hoard, we all hoard makeup because that one time we might want it. And then I was like, no, I'm never gonna need that. Probably got rid of it. But that's okay, because I just went in with the Mayron metallic pigments, and I mixed it up with their mixing medium and applied a combination of the gold and copper as the lipstick instead. Now, I could have gone in, I have a bright orange, or not orange, like orangey toned yellow copper highlighter. I could have gone in and added that, but I was kind of happy with how the highlights looked painted in. But if you want to go ahead and do that, you can. There I'm adding more of that color to the eyebrows to make them a little bit shiny. Over top of the brown paint, it just added a bit of a sheen to them. I definitely could have added highlight, like I said. In my mermaid tutorial, I went kind of hog wild with highlighter. But here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.